Okay, this is the Daiso here at Pearl City.
But you got two stuff.
Yes, you got scuba fish.
Yeah.
That's such a
Thank you. One of the people watching my channel says, "Oh, that guy's Scuba Chris." Let's see now. So the fishing stuff is out here now, before it goes back there. Well, they got some new collapsible rods. Might be good for shoreline for the kids. Some fish grippers. So they do have a few different things since the last time I came here. And you can see that there's the rod right there. And from what I've been told, a lot of the U.S. mainland stores have their own unique products as well. And you guys, they just like to stand right in your way. It looks like they got the same rods as before. So like the last time, you can get this nice, this is 6 foot 10 inch rod for spinning reels. See the prices over there? Price is always cheap here, and they brought the reels back. Look at that. They brought the spinning reels back, so there it looks like they're fully stocked again. All right, this net looks interesting. So it's 300. You look up here, 300 is $6. Looks like an extending net. Let's see now. Oh, not bad. It's barely up to my shoulders, but look at that. Pretty good. That's a nice little rod for the kids. There it is here. It's 1,000. So 1,000 here is $15. So for $15 you can get that for the kids. So it was a nice quick trip here. Over in Pearl City.